Hi, we are going to be showing you what your computer screen will look like for your ELA MCAS test and the different tools you can use.
So this is what your screen will look like, and these are your tools up here. And you have a review button. This shows you all of the questions that are going to be on the test. And then you have your not answered button, and this shows you all the questions you haven't answered. And then you have your bookmark button, which basically shows you what pages of the test that you have saved. And then this is the button where you can bookmark things. Click that. Once it's black, that means you've bookmarked the question right under here so that you can go back to it. Then you have a pointer where you can just answer your questions and yeah. And then you have your notepad, and you can type your notes in this, but when you exit out, your notes are still going to be there. But once you go onto the next page, they're going to be gone. So make sure you bookmark that page or they're going to be gone once you move on to the next question. Then you have your answer eliminator, and you can just eliminate your answers. So if you don't think A is right, you can cross it out. But if you change your mind, you can just click it and switch your answer. And then also you have your drop down menu, and then this is the line reader master. You can just use this to read and drag down for reading your paragraphs. And then you have a magnifying glass where you can use this to read your paragraph too if you cannot see the words. And then you have your background, and you can change the color of your background using this, but don't spend a lot of time on this because this really isn't part of the test. And then finally you have your highlighting. You can highlight things, and then you can change the color of them, and if you don't want it there anymore, you can highlight it again and then just click the white box. And then that is what your screen will look like, and this is what your open response should look like for your MCAS.
Okay, so this is your open response, and you have bold writing, or if you write and you can't see, that's the one you would use. But you also have italic, which is just a different font. And then if you want to underline something important, it underlines it for you. You'll read it. And then you want to do a bullet point instead of just normal writing. And then this is like number list. It's like the same thing as bullets, just if you want to do it in steps. And then say if I type something and I want to undo it, I would press that. But then if I wanted to redo it, it would come back up. So then over here is how many characters you have left. And characters just means how many words you have left. So if I keep typing, the number will go down. That's how many you have left. And you want to get at least 5,000 characters.
And this is what your ELA MCAS will look like.